We're heading towards the airport right now. It's about somewhere about 6:30, 6:45 at Mumbai. As always, we keep saying, very excited for the trek. This thing is about third trek right now. The last one was Manali and it was Patalsu trek. It was an amazing, mind-blowing trek.
So I'm really excited for the trek this time. Why? Because it's going to be an expedition trek. That means we're going to be climbing the Nair peak, and we're going to tent there, camp there, and stay on the peak. So looking forward for it. So we have finally reached, and today is our first day. Let's see what we have got.
The journey was amazing. You got to see dense jungle. It's just in a place where you can just say it's full of greenery. This is what you look for to see in Bombay. You don't find greenery at all. And we're so blessed to be here today to find and to enjoy this greenery. So this is a place where we're going to be staying for the next, I think, a day and a half kind of stuff. We're going to be here for about next overall 4 days. We'll be back to Mumbai on the Thursday. So 4 days of fun and adventurous. Let's go. Alright, day 2, really excited about this one, and we're going to go for some hike and some waterfall. Alright, so we're going to be trekking towards that mountain that you can see today, and we got Ganga flowing from the bottom. So it's literally an amazing view, and enjoying every bit of it. We call that in Hindi as Padua, that long thing. I hope you can see that. That's turmeric, but you can see the bunch of it, and it's like pretty much like a jungle. They just, I think it's more like a natural thing that they don't farm it. It's just by fluke. तब क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे? अब क्या काम करते हो?
खेती बाड़ी काम करते हैं यहाँ पर।
अच्छा, खेती का काम करते हो आप?
खेती बाड़ी काम करते हैं।
बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है। और आप काफ़ी यंग लगते हो 65 की उम्र में, है ना? This 62, 65 is like really young, really fit. हाँ जी। Thank you sir, take care. Bye. There's no way only. We're going to make a way and walk around it, and I hope that we get to see some tiger and get to fight with them. Yeah.
बन जाओ मीत मेरी प्रीत अमर कर दो।
नाम है रामफल। और ये आप कहाँ से लेके आते हो?
ये हिमालय से आते हैं पहाड़ से।
आप तोड़ के लेके आते हो वहाँ से? तो पूरा साल भर सीजन मिलता है कि आप एक ही कोई टाइम है कि
सिर्फ मई जून तक मिलता है। फिर वो
अच्छा, आपने कुछ बताया कि अभी डायबिटिक के बारे में कुछ तो
शुगर ब्लड प्रेशर डायबिटीज के वालों के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा फायदेमंद है।
Hi guys, so today we are in Haridwar and today we are having the famous Kullu-Manali chai. So all these people are having with me. That's Praveen, that's Neetu and that's Nitya.